When opening the Ergonomic office chair, you will be supplied with the cushion, the chair back,
Cushion base.
chair base, 5 wheels, height adjustment pole, left armrest, right armrest, 12 screws, 8 grommet covers, and 1 Allen wrench. The first step when assembling the ergonomic office chair is to place the chair seat upside down on the ground, line up the pre-drilled cushion holes with the screw holes, making sure the front of the base is facing the front of the seat cushion. Then screw in and tighten the base to the seat. Next, push the wheels into the bottom of the chair base. Then slide the height adjustment pole into the center of the chair base and slide the seat cushion onto the adjustable height pole. Place the right armrest to the cushion back and attach by lining up the pre-drilled holes in the armrest to the screw holes on the side of the chair back and attach with screws. Repeat this step for the left side of the seat back. Place the seat back and back of the seat cushion on the floor and attach with the remaining screws. Finally, fill all the screw holes on the armrest with the grommet covers. Stand the chair upright, sit to adjust the height or lock the chair, and enjoy.